here, media specialist over at the Central Campus, and this is the first in a series of quick tutorials on searching on Google. So we all use Google all the time. We know the basics of it, but with this series, we're just going to talk about some little tips and tricks that you can use to kind of help you narrow your search results, find accurate information. And this is whether you're doing academic research or whether you're just looking for information for yourself. So, on this first episode here, we're just going to talk about a search operator called site searching. Basically, there are a couple of different things that site searching can help you with. Number one, if you have a a website that you already know and trust for information, you can search just that website through Google. Another thing that you can do is only search domain endings, so .com, .edu, .gov, and so on. So let me show you an example of how this works. It's May, Memorial Day is coming up, so let's do a search for Memorial Day. See what kind of information comes up when we just do a regular search. Okay, so we have a lot of results here. What we want to do is kind of narrow that down because obviously we're not going to go through all of these results. And of course, we want accurate information. We can see here, we have a Wikipedia entry, history.com, va.gov, usmemorialday.org, so on and so forth. So a lot of information. Some of that might be pretty good, might be pretty sound and useful. But again, what I want to do, I have a website that I already know and trust. So I want to search just that website. So let's go back and do Memorial Day. Only this time we're going to type in site nps.gov. All right, so now I'm only going to search this one website. And as you can see, our search results narrow dramatically, 41,000 here. And it's only searching nps.gov, which is the National Park Service. So I can click on this and I get a little rundown of Memorial Day, the traditions, all kinds of different videos, articles, different things that I can look at for more information if I want to know the history of Memorial Day. And we have a whole bunch of other ones, articles within that website that we can click on for, different types of information. So that's if we're just site searching that one website. But let's say I don't have a website that I know and trust. I can just search domain endings. So I'm just getting results from .gov. These are government websites. So we have va.gov, loc.gov, which is the Library of Congress, share.america.gov, americaslibrary.gov, so on and so forth. So we're only getting .gov websites. We can search other domain endings too. Like let's say we're looking for some academic research on Memorial Day. We'll do site:.edu, and this should lead us, we have almost 10 million results, but they're all from academic institutions. So, we might find some good academic articles on here that we can refer to. This is especially relevant if we're trying to use this information in any kind of research project or paper. So that's it. That's site searching. You can see here it dramatically narrows your results, and you can search only trusted websites or only certain domain endings if you choose. So that's just one little search tip that you can use going forward when you're looking for information on Google. And we'll have plenty more of these little videos coming out in the near future. So stay tuned.